All right, Judge Alex, what we've done here is probably a little bit unfair in the sense that we've combined cases where a victim's family member got very upset and cases where, you know, family members of a defendant lose it in the courtroom. But what do you do when you're the judge and you know that there's the potential for something to happen? What can you do to prevent that from happening?
Well, the key to that is have adequate security in the courtroom. I mean, a lot of times, because of the nature of the case, sexual offenses against children, crimes committed by a serial killer, the judge has a good inkling that there's a possibility for some problems in the courtroom, and having adequate number of corrections officers. In one of those videos, I saw the corrections officers just coming in late. I mean, I had a defendant try to lunge at a prosecutor. Before he got 2 steps away from the defense table, my corrections officer had him pinned to the ground like a pancake. The corrections officers in the courtroom need to be available, or the liaison officers, to make sure they maintain order and to control a defendant who's unruly. If you know a defendant's going to be violent, there are a lot of things that you can do, especially at a sentencing. The defendant can be shackled at sentencing. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to be worried about jury impressions and things like that. There are security belts that we sometimes put on violent prisoners as well.
All right, but Catherine, I'm going to ask you about what it was like to be a prosecutor.